If your Bluetooth option is grayed out in Windows, don't panic. This is a pretty common issue, and today I will show you exactly how to fix it step by step. Whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11, the methods are basically the same. And by the end of this video, your Bluetooth should be working like normal. So first, let's understand why the Bluetooth toggle even goes gray in the first place. It usually means your Bluetooth driver is missing, outdated, corrupted, or simply disabled in your system. It could also be related to a service that's not running or even a setting that's preventing the device from being recognized. All right, let's get into the first fix, and that's enabling Bluetooth through Device Manager. Right-click the Start button and choose Device Manager from the list. Now look for Bluetooth in the list. If you don't see it, check under Network Adapters or Azure Devices. Sometimes it hides there. If you find Bluetooth, right-click on it and choose Enable Device. If it's already enabled, right-click it and choose Update Driver. Then click Search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't work, don't worry. Next, we will try reinstalling it entirely. In the same Device Manager window, right-click your Bluetooth adapter and choose Uninstall Device. After that, restore your computer. Windows should reinstall the Bluetooth driver automatically after booting. Still grayed out? Okay, now we're going to make sure the necessary services are running. Press Windows key R to open the Run dialog, then type Services, Mac, and hit Enter. Look for a service called Bluetooth Support Service. Double-click it and make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Then click Start if the service isn't running and hit Apply and OK. Now close that window and check your Bluetooth again. It may already be fixed, still no luck. Let's try the Bluetooth Troubleshooter next. Open Settings, System, Troubleshoot Other Troubleshooters. Find Bluetooth and click Run. Let Windows scan and apply any automatic fixes it can detect. If you're on an older version of Windows 10, you can find the troubleshooter in Settings, Update and Security, Troubleshoot. Once that's done, reboot your system again and see if the toggle is still grayed out. If it is, you may be missing a key feature from your system entirely. So here is how to install the latest optional Bluetooth drivers. Go back to Device Manager. If your Bluetooth driver shows up with a warning sign, right-click it and choose Update Driver. Or go to your laptop manufacturer's website and download the latest Bluetooth driver for your exact model. That's especially important if you're recently updated to Windows 11. Some older drivers just aren't compatible without an update. If this video helped you fix it, drop a like to help others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Windows fix guides. And if your Bluetooth is still acting up, leave a comment down below with your system specs, and I will try to help you away personally. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. _AUDIO